So, fellowship in facial aesthetics basically is a duration of 6 months and 12 months on the basis of the requirement and expertise of the trainee. And I wanted to bring into your consideration about the content of the fellowship program because that is something that all of you would be interested in. So, the fellowship in facial aesthetics starts with the very basics of skin, wherein we go in from the skin all the way to the bone and all the modalities which come into picture while the treatment is carried out in these different segments of the facial skeleton. So to say, we begin with chemical peels, microneedling, microdermabrasions, all the topical treatments, primings, and going on to certain lasers. After that, we also talk about injectables, in which there is a very comprehensive protocols that we follow in our setup, and that is about the hyaluronic acid based fillers. Then we talk about botulinum toxin type A, and of course threads. Then there is a combination therapy also, in which there is a patient based learning. So we do not want to give you a course that is already present in the market. There are multiple courses running in which you tend to learn things very mechanically. Here the idea is to give you an idea which is more organic in approach, and wherein you see an actual patient and you consult the patient, and as per the patient's requirement you actually apply that knowledge of whatever you learned during the fellowship in those initial days of your learning. So for the same, we have divided this course into 10 days, which is 10 days of hands-on, and of course 6 months to 12 months of online hybrid mode lectures. You can be live at the location, or these theoretical classes, they usually happen in Lucknow at the Center of Excellence in Lucknow, that is the Alpha Aesthetics Clinic. And throughout this 12 months to 6 months, you are in touch with all the mentors that are there in the organization. And case to case basis, we do cater to all the inquiries that happen, to all the doubts that you have, all the problem solving. We even help you out with the case selections. And there is a certain format that you have to complete within this period of 6 months to 12 months, where there are certain set of cases that you have to complete. And once you have completed those cases, we review those cases, and you finally you are felicitated with the fellowship. And this is what it is for facial aesthetic fellowship.